Mairapaibis of Langthabal, Lep, Awang Laikai and the adjoining areas seized a truckload of fertilizers at Langthabal on Monday evening when they conducted frisking following the ongoing conflict in the state. As per the Mairapaibis, they came across the truck while they were randomly frisking the passing vehicles. When they inquired the driver of the truck where he was going to deliver the fertilizers, who the dealer is, however, the Mairapaibis were disappointed with the answer of the driver. At this, the Mairapaibis unloaded the fertilizers from the truck and stored at the premises of Ibutoputiba Temple. Then the Mairapaibis informed the dealer Sarangthem Biramani of Obagai Kaithel Macha to show and approve his genuine documents, including the lifting order and announcement of advertisement from the side of the government. However, instead of convincing the huge crowd, the dealer Biramani showed his attitudes and countered the Mairapaibis, saying he was permitted to leave fertilizers by a state minister. At this, the crowd demanded him to produce the order and carry away all his belongings. The mother gave an ultimatum to the dealer till 3 p.m. on Tuesday. Later in the afternoon, the Mairapaibis decided to distribute fertilizers to the farmers at the government prices, and the money thus collected will be used for relief camps and the village volunteers forces in all directions. In between, Gopen Luwang, President Irabot Foundations and the OC Kakwa Police Station tried their best to settle the misunderstanding but failed. Biramani, the dealer, pleaded Mairapaibis to wait till tomorrow, the 21st of June, to prove his genuineness. However, out of suspicion of influence and forcing, the Mairapaibis refused to wait till tomorrow and decided to hand over the load of fertilizers to Kakwa Police Station. While some unknown persons called up the member of Nupilop, a group of women in charge of distributing PDAs, food grains and other items of the region, and threatened them to come to Faying. The miscreants also warned the members to take their own risks in case the fertilizers are being spoiled or not released for delivery.